Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your English board exam. First, thoroughly understand the exam pattern and marking scheme. This knowledge helps you prioritize. Next, create a realistic study timetable, allocating specific time slots for each section like grammar, literature, and writing. Finally, gather all your study materials, including textbooks, notes, and reference books, ensuring you have everything you need before you begin. Now, let's master the content. Dedicate time to understanding grammar rules and practice their application through exercises. Reading diverse texts like novels and articles will significantly improve your vocabulary and comprehension. Regularly practice writing various formats, such as essays, letters, and notices, paying attention to structure and clarity. Consistent effort in these areas builds a strong foundation. Practice is key to success. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam format and common question types. As you practice, identify your weak areas, whether it's a specific grammar topic or a literary section, and dedicate extra study time to improve them. Thoroughly revise all literary texts, including poems and prose, and understand poetic devices. On exam day, manage your time effectively, allocating appropriate minutes to each section to ensure you complete the paper. Stay calm and confident. A positive mindset helps you perform your best. After the exam, reflect on your performance and learn from the experience. Also, for those interested in personal finance, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.